YouTube. Good morning, everybody. It is the start of the second day and the sun is peeking up, which is something we didn't see at all yesterday, so that is already a great sign. We got the bikes ready to go, we're getting some breakfast cooked, Jake's getting some cinematic photography. Everything is going good and we are ready to hit the track today and enjoy the sun. Bikes are all ready to rip, Bacon's ready to rip, Jordan's ready to rip, always ready to rip. So we'll see you on track soon enough.
Let's take this out of wet. We'll go power medium first. A little sighting lap. Everything is good in the world. It's the start of day number 2 here at Pittsburgh International Race. Me and Jordan are in the novice class. And thankfully we have a dry day today. So hopefully we can go get some sighting laps in and get ripping here shortly after. So we've gone ahead and switched it from wet to road. So that'll give us medium power and a little bit less traction intervention. So yesterday it was cutting on an awful lot, so let's see how it does today. We got 360 cam rolling. Here we go. Oh my god, wheelie hill is no joke. First session of the day and I'm speechless. In the dry, this track is absolutely stunning. It's the best coast. No, I can't hear. This is hands down the best track on the East Coast for sure. I mean, I haven't traveled to a ball, but it's insane. switched from wet mode to road, and that was a tremendous leap. It lets the bike do a lot more things in road. So I think we're gonna probably switch it to sport here next and see what that's about, and see if we can't tap into race by the end of the day. This video and subscribe if you want to see more. Alright, so let's go ahead and take it out of road and put it in sport. Let's see, traction control and full power are the main two changes. Sport. officially done with the morning sessions, and I have to say it was a total success. Compared to yesterday, it was amazing. So we were able to build some heat in the tires, and what a confidence-inspiring tire that is. This whole bike really is confidence-inspiring. I mean, it lets you do so much, and it's so forgiving. It's so scary the amount of power it has, but it's so tameable and usable. It's super smooth. As you can see, we're starting to do some puck damage. Starting to use these tires for what they're worth and break this bike in right. So this is how you should ride your brand new SP2. These bikes are doing absolutely awesome, and shout out to Jordan for showing up 3 months into riding, dragging his knee, using all of his tire. He's really out here getting it, having a blast, and I'm so thankful he came. Thank you to Jake for your truck, trailer, everything you've done, the whole smorgasbord. Everything is phenomenal. I know I've told you 1,000 times, but thank you again. We're gonna go ahead and put it in race mode for science and see what happens. It's like leaning out really bad. I'm losing power the more I rev it. Right at the top of the rev range, it dies.